Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you look in my fridge anytime, you're always gonna find Polar Seltzer. This one is one of my favorites. It's the lime and it's super refreshing and delicious. So if you love sparkling water, you're gonna love this. It is the perfect bubbles. They're so refreshing and I love the lime flavor. So Polar Seltzer is just sparkling water and natural flavors. There's no sugar, there's nothing artificial. So they are a really healthy choice. They always help me to drink more water because they're just so good and I just love to drink them. The lime flavor in this tastes just like you took a big squeeze of lime and put it in your water. It has that really beautiful aroma and the really nice flavor. So this is perfect for drinking on its own, or it's also great to mix it with a little bit of fruit juice if you want a little spritzer, and I just love them. So if you're looking for a delicious way to increase your water intake and totally refresh your day, then definitely check out this Polar Lime Seltzer. I am a little bit obsessed with it, and that's my point of view.